Yun, so another day. Sotanghon day po tayo today. Order po ulit ako, short order. And yeah, same routine. Kuha po muna tayo ng blood sugar reading. And then later on, after an hour, blood sugar reading ulit. And then after 2 hours, another blood sugar reading. And then we'll see kung ano pong impact ng sotanghon sa blood sugar natin. Here you go. Yan. Hopefully malinaw siya. Yan, medyo mataas po yung sugar natin this morning, 124. And then, yeah, we'll see later kung ano magiging impact ng sotanghon. See ya. Sotanghon day today. So, naka-isang oras na po. So, it's time to get a blood reading, blood sugar reading. A little bit hopeful. Kasi I've read some articles about glass noodles, no? Hindi ko alam eh. Sabi healthy daw yun and good for diabetic. Not really good, pero lesser daw yung impact sa blood sugar. Yeah, we'll see. Ayan. Looks promising, 155. So remember, mataas yung blood sugar ko kaninang umaga, no? 124. So after an hour, 155. We'll see after 2 hours kung ano yung magiging reading niya. See you guys. Yun, so nakadalawang oras na po after I ate breakfast. So sotanghon day po tayo today. So it's time to get another blood sugar reading. We will see. Mukhang promising naman yung sotanghon. 155 yung reading after an hour. So now it's 2 hours. So we'll see kung anong blood reading, blood sugar reading. Yan. Wow. 113. So, balikan ko po kayo. I-compare po natin siya doon sa Lomi that I ate yesterday. And see kung anong resulta. See ya.
May nanalo na po. So, ito po yung results nung Lomi versus Sotanghon. So, yung first line that you're seeing, curved line, would be yung Lomi. So, I started at 111 blood sugar reading. And then after an hour, went up to 196. And then after 2 hours, 147 yung final. Yung Sotanghon, though mataas po yung starting blood sugar level po natin, 124. After an hour, went up to 155. And then after 2 hours, 113 po yung final reading. So, hindi na po siya nag-spike. Well, bumaba pa po siya versus dun sa beginning na 124. So, looking at the blood sugar level spikes, no, after 2 hours. So, yung Lomi po plus 36. And then yung Sotanghon, as I've mentioned, instead na mag-spike po siya, bumaba pa po siya. So, negative 11 po siya. So, again, recommended po ang Sotanghon for type 2 diabetic persons, at least for me. Yun po yung epekto niyan. So, thank you po.